The Model S Plaid apparently has set a quarter-mile record for a production car with Jay Leno. So this website, which goes by the name Drive Tesla Canada, apparently has a video clip of I don't know if it's a stock Plaid Model S, but it's a production car, and they have it doing a quarter mile in 9.23 seconds. They don't share the video. They just say the video's going to come out later. But this is what we have. With a trap speed of 152.16 miles per hour, this would make the Model S Plaid hold the production car record for fastest quarter mile. I'm talking Bugatti. It's a four-door car. I'm talking Bugatti level of quarter mile. And this is ever so slightly faster than that Lucid Air prototype.
What's this Rimac?
Yeah, so that's the company that Porsche invested in. I can't remember the country they're in. Maybe Croatia, around there.
Oh, yeah.
You remember we talked about
it?
them?
It's like a hypercar.
It is a hypercar. It is a hypercar. And it's I don't think it's considered a production car yet.
Oh.
So that's important to know. But this thing's a monster, obviously. It will be a monster. Different market. But worth noting, yeah, that thing apparently crushes as well. So anyway, the Tesla model apparently beats the Lucid Air time ever so slightly, which had the record claim when they did their test. Of course, it's important to note none of this is official, but this website claimed that they spotted Jay Leno plus a film crew, and they even spotted Jay Leno behind the wheel for an upcoming video. Now, you know Leno and Elon, they've been hanging out in the past because they got together with the Cybertruck. Mm-hmm. You recall, to show that to people. They've done some launch modes. I think Leno was in the Roadster at one point. Like, he's your guy when you're talking about cars and things like this. And so this is pretty big news. Apparently, there was even a moment where Leno was driving himself on a drag strip with two passengers and ran a 9.5 second.
Oh, so he wasn't the one that made the quarter mile.
Well, you would never have passengers or camera people in the car for a record because you got the extra weight.
Right. He didn't do that, though. Like, by himself?
The 9.23 was not him, at least according to the initial report here. But this is big numbers, and of course, it has implications for Tesla and just for the car market in general to break these type of records. You can see the Taycan Turbo S down there at 10.4, which is already insane. Mm-hmm. And you can see that beat the previous Model S P100D, and then you have a bunch of supercars ahead of that. But it's also important to note that test was by an independent company, Motor Trend, as opposed to what we have right now, which is unofficial. You don't have anybody putting a name on the line because we don't know if the car was modded any way different than retail, like how people are actually going to buy it. So, I mean, even if you look at the Dodge Challenger over there at 9.65, it says Dodge's claim on a prepped surface. So, like, whatever special tweaks. Vin found something funny. What do you got, Vin?
No, what you just read.
Dodge's claim on a prepped surface. So they went in there and they heated up the asphalt for better stick, or no, I don't know what they swept onto the surface or sprayed onto the surface. I don't know.
It's a giant treadmill. Just boosts their speed.
Well, how dare you? Yeah. Anyway, I can't wait to see the Jay Leno video. I like the Jay Leno Jay Leno's Garage on YouTube. Yep. So
great show.
Keep an eye out for those tests.